Good morning friends and welcome back to my channel Ripples on Road. It's pouring in Mumbai and I thought why not I go for a walk. It's morning now, it's about 9:15 and with my umbrella and just showing you how it looks when it rains heavy in Mumbai. It's already flooded. Let me show you. So I hope you all are fine. You will enjoy this small video. I have to buy some onions, potatoes and eggs. So we'll be going to the shop and buy some things. So this is how Mumbai looks when it's pouring. So I hope you'll enjoy this. As I said, this umbrella belongs to organization. They're blind and they manufacture this umbrellas here. See guys, already if you see here, it's completely flooded. See here, I just stepped out of my building here and see I am in the water. Just show you how Mumbai looks when it is pouring. So we'll be walking a little bit here and there. I'll show you. It's completely flooded. See. Heavy rain in Mumbai. Guys, if you're taking your vehicle, be careful because Mumbai is flooded. Today, Mumbai will be flooded. Yesterday, many people lost their life. So, a child playing in the... See here. Poor lady is having a problem. She shouldn't walk. See the main road. Oh my God. I cannot walk. See, the main road is flooded. So my house is here. And you can see the water gushing down from here. The whole road is flooded. Oh my God. See here. Oh my God, it's completely flooded. So I take you to another place and show you how it looks there. See the vehicles coming. See the tuk-tuks. And I'm walking through this road now. Let me show you how this road looks. Let me walk through on the footpath. Complete flooding. Mumbai is drowning today. I hope people are safe. In 2005, Friends, in 2005 there was like this rain in Mumbai and I was living in another house and my whole house was flooded. There was water up to 6 feet. 6 feet of water. I lost everything. I lost my television, my fridge, my clothes, everything. I lost everything. But luckily some things were saved. So I'll be telling you in my other video. Luckily, my stamp album, my photographs, my guitar, many things I could save. There's a reason for that. So I'll be telling that later on. Just enjoy this small video. Now guys, now I come little further from my house and see here. You can see here the flooding. And the biggest problem in Mumbai You have to look down and walk because the manholes are sometimes they keep it open. So see the water going through this drain. So just I wanted to show you this today. I said let me take you around and show you how it looks when it is raining in Mumbai. Not raining, it is pouring actually. See this. Completely flooded. He is my... Hi, kaisa hai? There is no current. क्या है? कभी से गया? So there is no current there. So he is my bread guy, egg I buy from him. So while going I'll buy from him. But I didn't bring a a bag. I just forgot. See the water gushing here. Just taking you around. Oh my God. Now little ahead, it always floods here. So I'm going little ahead. Let me take you there. These are some shops. They sell small items, not big items. They sell small items. I hope my camera is good because as it is pouring, some moisture comes on the lenses. My mobile camera, I told you here, always it will flood this section. That's why I have come here to show you this section. Always there will be flooding here. It's a vegetable vendor here. I have to buy some onions and potatoes. So later on we'll go. So this section is always flooded. See guys, the whole road is flooded. See, the motorcycle guy. See, the whole road is flooded. I am unable to walk because of the force of the water. See here. And this drain has opened. Now the water is flowing through the drain. It's very dangerous. I didn't take my motorcycle or my bike. See, they kept the drain open. Just imagine. See the condition. See, this guy is delivering items. Blinkit. He delivers items, groceries and all. So sad, they have to work. Because if the motorcycle silencer goes into the water, it will be difficult. Oh my God. Yesterday there was flooding. Today the whole city is flooded. So if my area is flooded, the whole city is flooded. Here you have a tennis court where they teach you how to play tennis. You can see here, from here you can see there is a tennis court inside. And see the dog going through the water. See that? There are two dogs. Now, I know this place doesn't have a manhole, so I am walking here. See the rickshaw. Guys, see the rickshaw. Poor guy. Because if it goes in the engine, the rickshaw won't move. See this nala, we call it a nala, it's fully flooded. So after, I think if it rains like this for one more hour, whole Mumbai will be flooded. See the poor dog. He doesn't have a place to go and take rest. See, I am walking. Now it's about 1 feet of water here. Now what I am walking is on 1 feet of water. This is motorcycle guy. Now it's better I cross. Better I cross. See this. So better I cross here because I don't know. Oh, let me go and try that. Now what this thing, the tire they have put, the manhole is open. So those places where they have placed this thing, the manhole is open. So you have to be very careful. Now this road, I think so, they have stopped the vehicles. Now you cannot go. You can see this road. पूरा गाड़ी रेस करके लेके जाओ. See the condition, friends, very bad condition. Very bad, very bad, very bad. So this play area will always get flooded. So I have come to show you this. See, now it's about, we can say 6 inches of flooding. 6 inch. 6 inch of flooding. But if this continues for one more hour, it will be 1 feet of flooding. Okay friends, now we go and buy some, let me walk through this place because it is very dangerous. Let me walk from here. See here, there's a manhole, so I'm a little afraid of walking on the footpath because there are manholes here which may be open. So better I walk on the road. Here. So better I walk on the road because the footpaths, the manholes are not in a proper way. The construction is not that good. So if at all I fall, I will go straight down. So better I walk on the road. People are walking on the road. That's the reason in India, most of the people say, why you walk on the road when there is a footpath? The footpath is already occupied by, see the poor guy, Poor fellow, see here. So the footpath is already occupied by the vendors. And sometimes it's not properly kept. Roads are much better. So I'm returning back by the same road because I regularly come this way, so I know that there is no manhole here. This is a milkman. What he does early morning, he goes on distributing milk to every house. So he's a milkman. See this. It's horrible, horrible, my friends. Mumbai is drowning, drowning. It's now about 9:30. 9:30. I'm fully wet. Actually, I'm fully wet. Now see this junction. So here, so dangerous. See this. I hope you can hear my voice. Oh, see the scooter guy. They shouldn't take it. The whole engine will get seized. See, one milkman is coming. And see, the rickshaw is half in water. See, this rickshaw is half in water. इधर से जाओ, इधर से जाओ, इधर मत जाओ, इधर 1 फुट पानी है. So I'm telling him, don't go that way. There is 1 feet of water. Go straight. So this guy is going straight. So there is 1 feet of water over there. There's a policeman here. The policeman has come. And here, see, it's 1 feet of water there. People are walking through 1 feet of water. This is a policeman, traffic police guy. Namaskar. काय म्हणताय? हां, ते तर आहे हो. पण फोटो येणार क्लिअर? थांबा, मी देतो. मी करू काय? तुम्हाला काढून देऊ? तुमचा नंबर. I met a policeman and I'm trying to help him. He wanted a photo of this area so that he can send it to the control. So I have taken some photos for him because they have to block the road. Now see this guy. So I have to send it to the control room, traffic control room, so that they can block the road. Otherwise some people may drown, you know. So I'm sending him this video and a photograph. So I'm telling everyone, don't go. See this guy. Where is he going? I don't know. So friends, this I've done just for you guys who are not in Mumbai, who don't live in Mumbai. This is how Mumbai looks when it rains very heavy. So you shouldn't move out. I am moving out to just show to you the real life of Mumbai when it's pouring. See now there's complete traffic. So guys, I have to climb up. I'm going to this shop to buy egg. और प्लास्टिक थैली है ना, मैं थैली नहीं लाया. So I told him I didn't bring anything. I'm just buying egg. Oh, the bread guy has come. So this guy, he delivers bread. See here. The problem with this guy is the water is entering his shop and there is no electricity. The ice cream will melt. The things which are in the fridge will melt. Very sad. Got egg and bread from him. Now I am going back. So poor people, they suffer. I know how much I suffered. I lost everything. And again I had to build everything. I had nothing with me. Except I think one mattress I had. Few clothes. Just 1 or 2 clothes. Nothing else. Everything I had lost. And again I had to rebuild my house, everything. It was a sad thing. Only thing which my bank helped me was when I was in the bank, they allowed me to stay home for 15 days. I had to go and sign, and that was because of my my boss, his name was Bailur. He was a union leader, and my manager Anthony from Bank of India. So still I remember them because they told me, Kiran, you just sign every day. You come to the bank, sign, go home and clean your house. So every day I used to go and clean my house. For 15 days I did that. But after that I used to attend my office. And then 1 month I had to clean. Then buy everything. Television, everything. My friend is going that in the grey shirt. You remember his house in Chenganur in Kerala? I stayed in his house. So we just met. He's an interior decorator. So he's doing a work. It's beautiful work he does. Even my house, the interior work, what I did in my house was done by him. So now we have to go to buy some onions and potatoes. Now the rain has stopped a bit. It is drizzling now and it's not, you can't say it's raining. So what I was saying is this one. These manholes are very dangerous. You can see the water coming out of this manhole. Suppose if it is open and I'm walking, I may fall in. That's why I don't use the footpath during the rainy season. See here. You saw this? It's very dangerous. You may fall inside. So I'm walking to the side of that. Again I have come to the main road. Let me see what's the condition now. See the wires, they're hanging so low. Now I'm going to buy some. These are the fishermen. This guy is selling fish. So now I have to go and buy some onions and potatoes. I don't know whether I may get it, but just let me try. So today I could help a policeman, a traffic police guy, to take some photos. Poor people, you know. Everyone has to work. That is whether it rains or it doesn't rain. Now I'm going to another side. This is a famous jewelry shop, Kalyan Jewellers. It's from Kerala. Then there is another jewelry shop. There are many jewelry shops here. These guys are cleaning the drains, I think. You can see this jewelry shop. Here. Horrible sight. Arey, she's cleaning. This is where I got my, wash basin and all this. This guy, Kaser, very nice guy. There's a bank here. So I have to cross now. Now I am little bit afraid because I have to cross the road, and I hope there is no much. I have to cross the road and go that side. So this is where I repair my motorcycle. Here. This is where I repair my motorcycle. Oh, why the shed? Oh, that shed flew off. Now they're bringing the shed down. Oh, because of the wind it went off on that. So this is where I have my puncture guy and also my motorcycle. This guy repairs for me. Okay, before that let me now go to the shop. I don't think whether, oh, he's not there. Oh, he's there, but whether he has onions and potatoes, let me check. Good morning, sir. क्या हाल है? Yes, sir. So he's just cleaning it now. So let me ask him whether he has potato. अरे कांदा बटाटा है ना? Ah, yes, yes. See here. Now he will be placing it. Here it is. And bananas and all that. So guys, I'm getting some onions and potatoes because this guy is not placed it there. So usually he keeps everything here, the fruits and the vegetables here. And this is Cheda, where I buy all my, the wheat flour, rice flour, dal and all this. It's a very nice small store. The chapatis, the wheat flour is so good. The chapatis comes very soft. Chapatis. So the wheat flour is so good here that always I buy from here. It's called Gujarati Atta. There are Punjabi Atta and Gujarati Atta. So I take Gujarati Atta. Punjabi Atta is little thick. About potato, tomatoes, onions, banana and apple from here. And this is Cheda. This guy is very good to me. To carry all the weight, this my puncher guy is fully wet. भाईजू मदद करूँ क्या? मदद करूँ? उड़ गया क्या? रात को उड़ गया लगता है. अभी उड़ गया? Oh my God! So the shed just. As I said there, this fellow repairs my motorcycle. This fellow takes care of my tires. Now if you see, the water has reduced. There is no much water, little bit over there. Because the rain has stopped. So now I am entering. Here also you can see there is no much water. So friends, that's about the rainy day in Mumbai. And I hope you loved it. But people are suffering, so I feel sad about that also. But that's God's, you cannot do anything. So if at all you like my friends, if at all you like my videos, please do share with your friends and families. Please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.